If you had all your stuff together and I'm ready for it, you might as well.
Well, it's more
nice to have Lori on, you know what I mean? Because if there's questions or anything like that, but, you know.
Right.
But the biggest part of it is psyching yourself up to do it. And then not doing it. I mean, we
That's
were both.
I went fishing today.
That's true.
We were both.
I had to calm myself down.
You went fishing.
Yes.
Oh, so you've
Did
been
you catch anything?
I did not. It was not a good day.
Oh. Was it too hot?
No, she didn't catch any fish.
No, didn't catch nothing. Yeah, it was a little warm.
She didn't catch
and it's
any
been
fish.
very hot.
But sometimes when it's real warm outside, yeah, if it's very hot, they don't bite.
Yeah, no.
You know, when you go in.
We got another.
Somebody else came on.
Denise Warren. Can I show your face?
I wanted to put willows over here, and I put them on the other side.
That's because you're backwards.
I'm more than backwards, I think.
I did centerpieces today. That's what I worked on.
Say hello, Denise. Show your camera. We're on Facebook Live. You're with friends.
Hello. We were doing our Cubby Lives, Cubby collaboration. I was just finishing up hers. I finished mine.
And I was just watching. I'm doing good.
And joined us.
Well, yeah, but that's what's so great about this group. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I mean, it's a great group.
It's the same thing like with the company that you keep where you work. I've had a couple of companies that I worked for that when you walk in the door, it's a comfortable feeling. Do you know what I mean?
It's not too many like that though nowadays.
No,
but
there isn't.
No.
Currently, I work for AAA, and and I very much feel like I'm part of the family.
The group.
I'm part of the family. Yeah, I love working there.
Right. Yeah, it is nice.
So what do you do?
Very nice.
What's that?
What do you do? I think you told me, but I can't remember. I have a very bad memory.
I work for the car care part here in the Mid-Atlantic and Central regions. We have the AAA buildings where you get insurance and travel and all that kind of stuff. But they also added a car care center, so you can go, whether you're a member or not, and get your oil changed and, you know, get new tires, whatever you need. It's
okay.
It's just like any other garage that you can go to, but it's got the AAA name and the AAA trust that comes along with it. I run the cash registers for all the car care stores. At least for these two regions.
Okay.
And right now it's about a total of 85 stores that I support.
Wow.
So they keep me busy.
I bet. Where do you guys live? Where do you guys live?
I'm in Elkton, Maryland.
Oh, okay.
And I'm in Anderson, South Carolina.
And where are you?
I'm in Indiana.
You're in Indiana.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
Denise, if you're talking, we can't hear you. And we don't see you.
Is she still on?
Yeah.
Yeah, it shows that she's on the call. Oh, Leslie, he's watching us live. Hi, Leslie.
Hi, Leslie.
We had to reconnect. We're having our fun tonight. Oh my goodness. I gotta really cut these short. Or wrap them in floral tape. What a pain in the butt.
I was working with glue today too. Oh my goodness. That stuff can be a pain.
There's actually a site, and I shared a page on my business page, Anna Marie's Creations. There's a site called Glue Gun Hacks. Who knew that glue from a glue gun can do so much? You can do so much with this stuff. Go to my page and see the video that's there, but go to that site, and there's thousands of videos about glue.
Denise is trying to talk.
Denise. Here she is.
There she is.
Hi.
Hi.
Hello.
We're Facebook Live. We're on a Zoom doing a Facebook Live. We both made wreaths tonight.
Yep.
Well, good.
Huh?
I've really been enjoying all the wreath making.
Are you?
My first. I'm just about first of everything. So.
Okay.
Oh.
I have just figured out how to get on, and even I didn't even know there was a Zoom tonight.
Ah! Ow!
Oh.
Ow!
Ouch.
Anna.
Ouch.
Oh.
Ouch.
Don't underestimate your glue.
It's not like a Zoom call. It's more, it just was Anna and I doing our wreath, our subject collaboration. But Lillian came on. Now you're on. We're just going to have a party.
Oh, okay. Oh, so this is.
Huh?
Yeah, it's an unofficial Zoom call.
Nope. We're good.
We were supposed to do a Cubby Live, and
Lori had a family emergency.
Has a broken elbow.
Yeah.
I can't even think. This glue is really hot. It's burning.
Yes, it is. Yes.
Have you seen those little silicone fingertips?
Yeah, but it like hit me in the palm of my hand.
I'm gonna get you a glove.
That's what I need. I need a glove.
A heat protectant glove would be a good thing. I tell you, I did the same thing today. I was putting in flowers, and Lord have mercy, I slipped one my mistake. I was trying to push it in, and my fingers slid down in the glue. That hurt.
Oh yeah.
There we go.
I use toothpaste on it. You get the white toothpaste, not the gel, the white toothpaste. Toothpaste.
And that stops it from hurting?
Yeah, it helps with the burn. With the burn.
Oh wow.
And it heals pretty fast because it doesn't hurt right now. So that's pretty good. Of course, I'm not thinking about it, Till now.
About it.
I think we all have our war room.
Huh?
We all have our injuries. I've got one too on my thumb.
Uh-huh.
Oh yeah.
That I can say that's the first time I ever burnt myself like that.
Yeah.
Really?
All it takes is one time.
Yeah. I cut my finger with a rotary cutter one evening.
Ouch.
Yeah, probably about 4 years after I started,
I think I'm done.
I finally cut. Oh, nice.
Okay.
Yeah, I like that.
Yeah.
Very pretty.
They're very pretty. They call that the grapevine, right? Those are the grapevine wreaths?
Yeah.
Yes.
I'm still trying to learn all the terminology.
Me too.
Huh?
Yep. I have a hard time with all the different methods of doing the mesh wreath.
Right. Like the woodland ruffle or all of those, yeah.
Yeah, they say that, and I'll be like, yeah, okay, I got that. I know exactly what you're talking about.
Yeah, but you know what? I don't think it's as important to know the name of it as it is
to actually do it.
To just do
but
it.
If somebody's asking you and then you don't know what to tell them.
It's okay. You say, you know, when you're a creative, you create. And I know there's a name for it. I can't remember the name of it, but, you know, I'm creating. This is what and even though there is something called the woodland ruffle, I don't think two people make it the exact same.
Make it this, no, they don't.
So it doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Does it really matter? No.
Me, it's the bows. That's another one. The different type of bows. It's like, wow. You know, even though I've watched quite a bit of YouTube videos and taken notes on it, on how to do them. So, you just got to keep trying and practicing. That's all you can do with those.
I think it's a matter of you get an idea of what you can do making a bow. And then you do what you feel.
Right.
I mean, if you have a creative bone in your body and you're making something and it comes out nice and beautiful, you made it with your love, did you not?
Right. Exactly.
It's what you feel.
That's true. Like that. That's true.
Right. Nobody does anything exactly the same like anybody else. And that's with everything in life.
That's a whole hidden story.
Well, that's my story, and I'm sticking to it.
So this is Teresa's first live making a wreath. And Lillian, you've never been live on Facebook, and tonight's your first time on a Facebook Live.
Well, actually, I've been live with Lori's, you know, on Lori's group, but never actually live on Facebook, no.
Okay. Well, it's your first...
On the Zoom calls.
Yeah.
That's not Facebook Live. This is...
I know.
Thousands of people could be looking at you right now. And
oh, my goodness.
It's not hurt.
And I'm a mess.
It's
Lord
not...
have mercy.
Yeah, but it's not painful, is it?
They don't care.
Yeah.
It's not painful.
All right, show your wreath. This is what we do.
That's pretty. I love it. I love the flowers and the colors.
Thanks.
Beautiful. What does the sign say? I can't really.
It says pumpkin kisses and harvest wishes.
Wishes? Oh, okay. That's cute.
That's a real cute saying.
Very pretty.
And this is kind of like my my motto to live by. Let all that you do be done with love in your heart.
Yes, exactly. Good one.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's a good one. Love it.
So that's it. That's what we did tonight.
That's it.
Okay, and we got to meet each other. How about that?
Thank you, Leslie. She's saying beautiful creation.
Oh, thanks.
She's so kind. Leslie's so cute. She said she's gonna paint. She's gonna paint a picture of my dog. And I'm like,
nice.
let me see what you have, and I'll decide how I want you to paint it, what medium or whatever. Let's get this done.
Okay. Awesome.
All right.
All right, ladies. Well, have a good night. It was a pleasure meeting each one of you, and I hope we can do this again, okay?
Sounds great.
Love you. Bye-bye.
You never know where you're going to find us.
Yeah.
That's right.
Have a good night.
Good night, everybody.